Hey Jamie, my name is Devin. I spoke to JB a little earlier. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix right away to start bringing in more customers right away. And I know you're wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's very simple. I found out a little while ago that there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending so much time tending to their customers that they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that when I make these attack plans and I give them away for free, there's still a lot of business owners who end up calling me back going, you know what, Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me? Whatever you want to do this information is okay with me. My goal is just to educate and help people. What I'm going to talk to you about today is 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. And I wanted to say your website is gorgeous. It looks like it's already professionally done. You probably hired a marketing agency to do some of this stuff for you. I mean, this video is awesome. The design is pretty dang awesome too. Everything about this website looks beautiful. Google just doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. What they care mostly about is this content right here, what you can read. Google wants about 2,000 words on that front page, and that's what the average website on the front page of Google has. What you currently have is 650. So it's one of the big reasons why you aren't ranking where you want to be. And if you go to your main competitors, Garland Heating and Air Conditioning, they don't either. They aren't at 2,000 words. Let me see what they're sitting at. But you want to definitely get yourself up to that 2,000 word mark. See, they're only at 420 words. One of the big things you want to do to make sure that you're outranking them, though, is you have the proper keywords inside of it. So, but not only do you want to get yourself 2,000 words, but you also want to have, like, for example, AC Repair Garland TX. This one keyword is searched 400 times a month. So you want to make sure that you have that in there. If I go and type in AC Repair, you don't even have AC Repair on the page. So make sure you have like AC Repair Garland TX, Air Conditioning Repair Garland, all these other things that you want to rank for. Same with all these different areas. You want to have exact keywords. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest and they want to see a bunch of other websites linking to you. Keep in mind though, they do want to see relevant websites linking to you, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies with links versus like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It does cost about $1,000 a month. You don't have to use it. There are a bunch of other free tools out there. I just pay for this because it compiles this all together. And it says you currently have 128 websites linking to you, which is definitely a good spot to start. Garland Heating and Air is not that much further than you. They only have about 14 more websites. But hey, I don't want to just match them. I want to blow them out of the water. So what I would do is all these websites that are working to rank them, they would work to rank you too. So you go visit these different websites, and you click either, and then you build the links back to you the same way they did. There's 3 ways you could typically do that. You could either create an account and you can put a link in your profile. You can also click the Contact Us button and get a link, or some of them you may have to pay for. But whatever these guys had to do, you're going to have to do too. And by following just those 2 tips of getting your content up to 2,000 words and beating them with backlinks, that's how you take the organic spot in Google. There's 3 spots you can show up. Organically, you can pay more for ads. You could just bid higher for your ads, or the last place you can show up is right here. And this is the best place to show up. This is the Google My Business or local map pack. This is where most traffic goes to. And getting here is actually free. It just takes some time. What you need to do is you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And a directory is just a website like Home Advisor or Yelp or Angie's List or anything like that where you can just list your business's information. What I would do if I were in your shoes, Jamie, is I would figure out what directories Garland Heating and Air Conditioning was in. I put myself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in 250, if not 300. And that's all I've got for you, Jamie. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and sweet for you and to the point. As a quick recap, you want 2,000 words in this homepage, and you want keywords inside of that content. You're also going to probably want, I would just copy all those links and blow these guys out of the water. Just go to all the links that are linking to them, go get them linking to you as well. And the last thing is put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Garland Heating and Air Conditioning. And if you follow these 3 tips, Jamie, that's how you become #1 across all of Google. So I bet you're wondering, what do I do now? You have 2 options. You can either 1, do this stuff yourself as soon as you possibly can, and that's what I recommend you do. The quicker you rank yourself to the top of Google, the quicker you start getting more phone calls and you grow your business to where you want it to go. If you don't want to do this stuff, but you do want all the benefits of it, give me a call. My phone number is right down here, and I'll see if I can help you out. If I'm not able to help you out, I'll at least point you in the right direction. But I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to your feedback, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks, Jamie. Bye.